सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। माङ्गल्यमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। माङ्गल्यमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये
ನೂರು ನೂರು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಗೆಳತಿ ಎಂದು ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಲುಮೆ ಸಿರೆ ಒಡತಿ. ಗಾಳಿ ಗಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಕಾಯುವೆ ನೆರಳಂತೆ ಅನವರತ ಸುಖ ತರುತ್ತಾ.
Hello Suhas, well, what to say, our relationship started as a doctor and patient, but we ended up being a husband-wife, which is a really nice thing that has happened in our life. Hope everything is fine in the future also. I wish a very happy life for each other. We enjoyed a lot whatever we were together, and now I know you have though I used to show you all the temper tantrums, you were being very patient with me. Well, now I think in the future we'll be very happy with each other. All the best for both of us. Thank you.
There are special moments in everyone's life which if one were to close their eyes, they can replay that moment over and over again. And my meeting with Shruti was one of those moments. The moment I met Shruti, it was never known to me that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with her. But this is how it turned out. It's just surprising the way things work out in the end. When you look back on those yesteryears and you wonder how we have reached this moment. Nothing was planned or pre-written, nothing was forced, but I guess somewhere in our fate it was written that me and Shruti get married and spend the rest of our life together, and this is how it is. Well, our journey has been quite a roller coaster ride, but all's well that ends well, and I'm really looking forward to a life with you, Shruti, and I think we will have a great time together in our future.
ನೂರು ನೂರು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮಗಳು ಬರಲಿ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಎಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಒಲುಮೆ ಗರಿ ಇರಲಿ.
Difficult for me to explain how much you mean to me. You are the best brother anyone could wish for. We wish you a very happy and successful life ahead.
Suhas and Shru,
Happy married life.
ನೀನಾಗಿದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ
We wish Suhas and Shruti a very happy married life, and finally it was a long awaited event, and it happened.
It has
And,
materialized.
It materialized, and it's good to see them that they are married, and they have become republic from today. And we wish them all the best and happy married life.
I am very happy to get my new daughter-in-law Shruti home, and she's a wonderful person, and I wish her all the best in her new life, and I wish we would all get together well, and I wish them a very happy married life.